So hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to understand in details about the gastrinoma triangle, which is also known as the Passerose triangle. So before understanding the gastrinoma triangle in details, I want all of you to understand the basic orientation, then we will come to the details. तो यहाँ पर जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं हमारे पास है लेफ्ट हेपेटिक डक्ट, राइट हेपेटिक डक्ट which joins to form the common hepatic duct. Now one duct that arises from the gallbladder, it is known as the cystic duct. This cystic duct, it joins with the common hepatic duct to form the common bile duct. And this common bile duct, it goes and it drains into the, or it opens into the second part of the duodenum. So this is the basic orientation that we need here. तो अब देखेंगे इसका जो बाउंड्री क्या है. So now coming to the boundary, actually this triangle it is formed by joining the three junctions. So the first junction is, it is the junction of the cystic duct with the common bile duct. Now the second junction is the junction between the second and the third part of duodenum, and the third junction it is between the head and the neck of the pancreas. So when we will connect these three junction, we will get the gastrinoma triangle. तो ये जो गैस्ट्रोनोमा ट्रायंगल है इसका कंटेंट क्या है, इसके अंदर क्या क्या हम देख सकते हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर वी हैव द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द duodenum. We can also see some part of second part of the duodenum, and we can also see the head of the pancreas and some lymph nodes, they are also present in this triangle. Now coming to the significance of this triangle, ये जो ट्रायंगल हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसका कुछ तो सिग्निफिकेंस होगा. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट सिग्निफिकेंस? तो इस ट्रायंगल का सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि इट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन साइट फॉर गैस्ट्रिनोमा. अब ये गैस्ट्रिनोमा क्या है? दिस गैस्ट्रिनोमा इट इज़ ए एंडोक्राइन पैनक्रियाटिक ट्यूमर एंड इट इज सीन इन द मैन-1 syndrome. So this tumor it actually arises from the G cell of the pancreas. This G cell they cause increase in the gastric production, and because of this increase in gastric production a lot of acid get released or a lot of acid get produced, and because of this hydrochloric acid there is increased risk for the peptic ulcer. So the gastrinoma, when it is associated with increase in the acid production and when it leads to recurrent peptic ulcer, it is known as the Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. So that's all about the gastrinoma triangle that we need to learn in this video. So at the end, thanks for watching. Thank you.